Most men today have no idea that they walking around with testosterone levels lower than men in their 50s just a few decades ago. You might wake up feeling tired, sluggish, unmotivated, and think it's because you didn't sleep enough, or maybe you're just getting older. But here's the truth. Your hormones are silently being drained every single day. Modern life has created the perfect storm. Poor sleep, processed food, endless stress, and constant screen stimulation. And all of this is killing the very thing that makes a man feel alive, his testosterone. What if I told you that you don't need pills, boosters, or expensive supplements to get it back? That your body already knows how to produce it naturally, if you stop sabotaging it. Think about it. There was a time when men woke up full of energy, ready to take on the day. Their confidence wasn't something they had to fake. It came from within, from chemistry, from balance. Testosterone isn't just about muscles or libido, it's about drive, focus, and the will to win. It's what fuels your ambition, your energy, your strength, your clarity, even your mood. When it's low, everything feels off. You lose interest in things that used to excite you. You procrastinate more. You overthink instead of act. And worst of all, you start to accept this lower version of yourself as normal. But here's the thing. It's not normal. It's modern. We live in a time where everything around you is designed to make you weaker, softer, and more distracted. Your body is wired for strength, but your environment is training you to forget it. The good news, you can take it back. You can boost your testosterone naturally. No pills, no magic powders, no fake alpha supplements. Just real biological power. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Step by step, we'll break down what's killing your hormones and what you can start doing today to rebuild them the natural way. Because when your testosterone rises, everything changes. Your energy, your focus, your confidence, your purpose. You don't just feel better, you feel like yourself again. The first thing you need to understand is that testosterone isn't built in the gym or in a pill. It is built in your daily habits, in the way you live every single hour. Let's start with sleep, the most underrated testosterone booster on the planet. Around 70% of your daily testosterone is produced while you're asleep, specifically during deep REM cycles. One bad night of sleep can drop your testosterone by 10 to 15%, and if you're constantly staying up late scrolling your phone, watching Netflix, or working under artificial light, your body never gets the signal to recover. Sleep is your hormonal reset button. Without it, your brain can't produce the chemistry of strength. You want to aim for 7 to 8 hours of real, uninterrupted sleep in a dark and cool room. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screens at least an hour before sleep. That blue light kills melatonin, which your body needs to trigger testosterone production. This one habit alone can change your energy levels within a week. The next killer of testosterone is stress. Most men today are running on pure cortisol, the stress hormone. You might not notice it, but constant low-grade stress from work, finances, or even social media is keeping your body in fight-or-flight mode. And when cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. They're biological opposites. You can't be in survival mode and expect to thrive. The fix is simple but powerful. You have to find ways to let your body relax again. Take short breaks during the day, get sunlight in the morning, go for a 10-minute walk without your phone, and learn to breathe deeply, literally. Breathwork and meditation lower cortisol and tell your body it's safe again. When you manage stress, you unlock the hormonal balance that your body has been begging for. Now let's talk about what you eat. Testosterone is built from cholesterol. Yes, the thing you've been told to avoid. Your body uses good fats to create hormones. That means if you're living on low-fat diets or eating only processed junk, your testosterone has no raw material to work with. You need to feed the hormone factory inside you. Focus on whole foods, eggs, red meat, olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, oysters, and leafy greens. These foods are full of zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, 3 minerals your testosterone can't live without. Cut down on seed oils, refined sugars, alcohol, and anything that comes in a shiny packet. Food is chemistry, and the wrong chemistry kills your drive. Eat real food, and your hormones will respond in ways that no supplement ever could. Then there's movement, the ultimate natural stimulant. Your body was built to move, to lift, to push, to fight gravity. Strength training, resistance workouts, or even bodyweight exercises send your body a simple but powerful message. We need to be strong. And when your body hears that, it raises testosterone to meet the challenge. But remember, more isn't always better. Overtraining can crash your hormones if you never rest. Find balance. 3 to 4 intense workouts a week plus daily walks or light movement. Sitting all day is one of the fastest ways to kill your testosterone because your body assumes you don't need strength anymore. Stand up, move, stretch, and reclaim the posture of a man who's alive and active. And finally, let's talk about dopamine, the hidden enemy. In today's world, men are overstimulated but underfulfilled. Every scroll, every notification, every video gives you a tiny hit of dopamine, and over time, your brain becomes numb to real reward. Porn, junk food, and constant digital noise flood your system with false pleasure, and your brain stops responding to normal levels of stimulation. Low dopamine equals low drive. It's that simple. The fix? You have to detox your mind. Limit screen time, especially in the morning. Stop chasing instant gratification and start earning your dopamine again through real effort. Workouts, meaningful work, discipline. Every time you resist the easy hit, you train your brain to produce real motivation. When you combine these 5 areas, sleep, stress, nutrition, movement, and dopamine control, something incredible happens. Your energy starts to return. You wake up with focus again. You stop feeling lazy and start feeling hungry for life. Your body begins to produce testosterone the way it was designed to. You don't need magic pills. You don't need expensive boosters. You just need to stop living like the modern world wants you to. Every man watching this has the power to rebuild his hormones naturally. The blueprint is simple. Sleep deeply, eat real food, move with purpose, calm your mind, and protect your focus. Do these things consistently, and you'll remember what it feels like to truly be alive again.